You know, they say that cooking is an art, but there's this one thing that stumps even the most seasoned chefs: cooking rice. Ever wondered why there are more grains of rice in a bag than stars in the sky, but when you cook it, it never seems to be enough? It's like a magic trick, isn't it? One minute you have a mountain, the next it's a molehill. And don't get me started on getting that perfect fluffy texture. Well, worry no more. Today, we're going to conquer the rice mountain together. First things first, picking the right type of rice. It's like choosing your weapon before a battle. Our contenders? Well, we've got basmati, jasmine, brown, and white rice. Each one brings something unique to the table. Basmati, long and slender, is the fragrant diva of rice types. It's perfect for those aromatic dishes that you just can't get enough of. Then we have jasmine, the short and sweet rice that's a favorite in Thai cuisine. Its slightly sticky texture makes it perfect for those delightful stir-fries. Now, let's not forget about brown rice. The wholesome and nutty flavor of this grain is excellent for health-conscious meals. And last but not least, we have the ever-versatile white rice. It's the reliable sidekick, ready to complement almost any dish you're cooking up. Remember, the right rice can make or break your dish. Choose wisely. Now that we've got our champion, it's time to prepare for the big game: cooking. Picture this: a boxing ring. But instead of gloves, we've got a strainer and a bowl. And instead of a heavyweight champ, we've got our chosen rice. It's a face-off like no other. The first round, washing. We're not just giving it a quick rinse here, folks. We're talking a thorough cleanse, like a spa day for our rice. We're massaging it under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any excess starch, which can make our cooked rice sticky. Next, we're moving on to round 2, soaking. This isn't a quick dip in the pool. We're going for a full-fledged soak. Think of it as a rejuvenating bath for our rice, which allows it to absorb water and results in fluffier, more tender grains. With our rice prepped and ready, it's time to bring the heat. Welcome to the main event, the cooking showdown. We're at the heart of our journey now, folks. It's time to turn that raw grain into fluffy, delicious rice. Let's dive right in. First off, the ratio of water to rice is key. It's like the secret handshake of the rice world. For long-grain white rice, use 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. This ratio helps ensure that your rice doesn't end up too dry or too soggy. Next, put your rice and water in a pot. Crank up the heat and bring it to a roaring boil. It's like a hot tub for your rice, but without the bubbles. Once it's boiling, lower the heat to a gentle simmer. This is where the magic happens, my friends. Now remember the golden rule: don't lift the lid. I know it's tempting to sneak a peek, but trust me, your rice is doing just fine. Lifting the lid lets out steam, and that steam is a crucial part of the cooking process. Think of it as a sauna for your rice, helping it to relax and fluff up. Finally, let the rice simmer until all the water is absorbed. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. But remember, patience is a virtue, especially in the rice cooking world. And there you have it, perfectly cooked rice. No more rice disasters. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a rice master. Let's recap our rice cooking adventure. First off, we embarked on the grand quest of selecting our rice champion. Remember, different types of rice have different tastes and textures, so choose wisely to suit your dish. Then we prepped our champion for the big game, washing it to remove excess starch and soaking it to soften the grains. Next, we moved on to the thrilling cooking showdown. We brought our water to a boil, added our rice, and let it simmer until it absorbed all the water. And just like that, we had transformed simple grains into a culinary delight. The key to remember here is patience and precision. The washing, soaking, and cooking process all play a crucial role in achieving that perfect, fluffy texture we all love. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be disheartened if your rice doesn't come out perfect the first time. Keep trying, and you'll conquer the rice mountain in no time.